And here we go. How you doing? This is Lamont Smith. I'm a student at Wilder University in the MSW program. Doing my first recording here, and I hope this thing works out all right. I'm currently in the SW 620, 520 research class, and the assignment here is to find out what I know about research to this point. Well, what I've done in research so far is look up different articles that I need for different subjects, such as, behavior, alcohol abuse, and such things like that. In doing so, I've learned the different parts of a research paper, so I have a somewhat of a novice understanding as to what research is involved with and what parts of research can there is. What would make learning research fun for me would be actually looking at the research that I could use to validate a certain type of intervention and or treatment. The part that I look forward to in this particular class is actually getting to understand the different types of research that is in line with treatments and interventions. Thank you so much for your time.